since nag-start kami at a very young age, 20 lang kami noon. Actually, we just turned 20 that time. So, medyo yung isip namin is we just really want to earn something and we want to build something while we were young. Pero, yun nga, na-realize namin along the run na marami palang nangyayari inside a business. So, yung learning curve talaga was very complicated. Ang dami naming pinagdaanan at the first 3 months of our business, yung TMK, na hindi ka talagang makakatulog hanggat hindi mo siyang inaayos. From production to marketing, sobrang niyang stressful. And I think what really stands out the most dun sa mga nangyari na yon is being responsible. So, ano namin siya, parang hindi kami binigyan ng time para matutunan 'tong mga bagay na 'to. Talagang pinilit kami ng, negosyo na gawin na agad 'to and be that kind of person kung gusto mo talaga siyang maging successful.